Bring an end to airborne contaminants in your car with the new cabin filter from Filterheads.com.
Open the glove box. Remove the screw that holds the dampener arm to the right side of the glove box. Push in on the sides of the glove box to release the stops and lower the glove box. Unclip and remove the frame cover. Clean out any debris in the housing. Remove the old filter from the frame. Install your new AQ1048 filter into the frame, with its airflow indicating arrow pointing down. Reinstall the frame and then press until it clicks secure. Reinstall the glove box door. Reinstall the screw that secures the dampener arm to the glove box. Close the glove box. Visit our website to order your filter to ensure that it fits.